You see, all of a sudden, Seyi Tinubu now looks like Ojukwu. You see, the problem with Yorubas, they are very inconsistent set of people. This is a ploy to make sure that he doesn't win the next election coming 2027. Yorubas are very inconsistent. This minute they are telling you about Oduduwa. The next minute they are telling you that they want Tinubu. They can never tell you, they can never stand by a particular thing. They can't stand by their word. It's very unfortunate that Nigerians are living with such people like that. Huh? Yes, I must be honest with you people. Ojukwu, what resemblance does this young man say Tinubu have to do with Ojukwu? The reason is because they feel that Tinubu's wife is not a hero, since Tinubu's wife is not a Yoruba woman. That is why all this is happening. Yes, this is what they did last election. The moment they notice you have a blood from Igbo, but yet they are the ones that are campaigning for one Nigeria. They will tell you one Nigeria, we are one. Oh, we die here, we will not live. No, one Nigeria for life. They are very tribalistic. Yorubas, people are highly tribalistic, very tribalistic set of people. You can pretend all you can, but you are too tribalistic. Look at what the president Tinubu is doing now. What was dollar rate during Buhari's regime? What was it during Jonathan? People were the ones that single-handedly kicked out Jonathan. Look at the regime now. Tinubu is president. How far is the country going? It's all about tribe. But you blame the Fulanis on there for voting and going after their own tribesman, Buhari, despite incompetencies. Look at what is happening to you people. The same thing happened. Last election, it was Peter Obi that won. But your tribalism and hate didn't allow you people to even support or interrogate the INEC chairman to why he did not allow Peter Obi as a winner. But because what happened? Tinubu is your brother. And right now he's showing guys the hair. People don't know the consequences of what people are doing. Yeah? You see, people are trying to abscond. If for any reason, say Tinubu wins election in Lagos State, I'm sorry for Yorubas. I'm sorry for people. People don't understand what you are doing yourselves. You don't understand what you are doing yourselves. I don't support tribalism, nepotism, and all that. I don't know why Nigeria, when you visit other African countries, you'll be shocked at how discipline, how at least, do I use the word discipline or the kind of decorum in those countries? Countries that when you look at their structures, building structures, it's not that okay, but you see peace, you see security, you see the major, this thing that will make you live a normal, soft life is there. But look at Nigeria, giant with I don't know the kind of giants of Africa we are. You dare not mention tell people that you're Nigerian in some countries. Sometimes you'll be forced to mention that you are from maybe Sierra Leone or Liberia just to avoid having anything to do with Nigeria. Because the moment you mention Nigeria, the level of ways they will look at you, the way they will look at you. I'm talking out of experience, though. This one is out of experience, not based on somebody told me. My own experience. Out of experience. I don't have experience. What guys are passing through outside here? Why are you people tribalistic? Yorubas. Because the fact that his mother is not an Igbo person, suddenly he's now resemble Ojukwu. That's how people are started. By 2027 now, they will let him know that Seyi Tinubu, they will have to let Seyi Tinubu know that he's an Igbo person. But when we talk about the vision of the country, all of you Yorubas will campaign against it. You campaign against it. Campaign seriously. No, we are one. Inconsistency is killing people. Things are happening. When a little bad thing happen in Igbo land, you are very fast to spread the news. But 12 things will happen. 12 evil things will happen in Yoruba land. But out of the 12, they will just bring out one and table. And I know that Yoruba land are suffering heavily. Because the time people need your freedom, nobody will take people serious. This is the same attitude that Bosnia, there's a country in Europe, is Bosnia, Herzegovina, a particular country like that. This is the attitude you are playing. during the war in Yugoslavia, while other countries were fighting hard to, see how to separate. They were busy there using the BDR, scattering this, spoiling this. The day war broke out, the Bosnia suffered. It was UN that had to help them because they encroached, killed a lot of their people. These things people are doing, we are hunting people. Your media is supporting evil. Your media is supporting evil. You don't even know what you want. Few minutes now to election, you are mentioning your Duduwa. The next minute now, Tinubu is Tinubu. You don't have steady light, no steady, no good road, no infrastructures. Every inflation is on the high. Yet, no, he's my brother. It's all about the fact that he's a resemble Ojukwu, this and that. The issue is not even whether he resembles Ojukwu or not. The issue is that you people are tribalistic because of the fact that that man has a blood that is not related to Yoruba that gave birth to him. The mom is not, I think the mom is not a Yoruba woman. That is why all this rubbish of resemble Ojukwu. What concerns Ojukwu? How do they resemble? How do they look alike? Yoruba, stop all your inconsistency. It will never help you. It will never help you. But this is a lesson to Igbo people. And these people called Yorubas, they don't really love you. They don't love you. They're highly tribalistic. All the of you building houses there and others building structures there. Think home. Think home for your own good. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much for listening.